Shiva. I am studying in 4th grade in Phoenix Global School. I am telling about the main purpose of UNESCO Place. UNESCO mission to see contribute to the building of a culture and eradication, to see education, scientific culture and organization, sustainable development and intercultural dialogue through education, scientific culture and communication and information. UNESCO. You know the UNESCO, United Nations Education, Scientific Culture and Organization. Education. UNESCO promotes education worldwide again from inclusive and education to see literacy, skills development and education. UNESCO places. Ajanta Caves. Ajanta Caves located in Maharashtra. Fatehpur Sikri. Fatehpur Sikri was located in Uttar Pradesh. Sun Temple. Sun Temple was located in Odisha. Agra Forest. Agra Forest was located in Uttar Pradesh. Means of wild security. Wild security was located in Karnataka. Chhatrapati Shivaji. Chhatrapati Shivaji was located in Maharashtra. Buddhist temple. Buddhist temple was located in Assam. Khajuraho was located in Madhya Pradesh. Humayun Tomb Delhi. Humayun Tomb Delhi was located in New Delhi. Land was located in any country. Mahabum temple was located in Bihar. Next my friend will continue.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Lasdan, studying in 4th grade in Phoenix Global School. Today I am telling about churches and convents of Goa. Churches and convents of Goa is a serial property located in the former capital of the Portuguese Indians, which one of the most western coast India, about 10 kilometers east of the state capital Punjab. These are great influence in the 16th to 18th century on the development of architecture, sculpture and painting by spreading forms of Mannerist and Bureaucrat and architecture throughout the countries of Asia were Catholic missions established in doing so. Their imitate illustrated the work of missionaries in Asia. The real village of Ala development into Goa. After it was taken over by the Portuguese, who designed the city as the capital for their occupied territories in Asia. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Arsodam. I am studying in Phoenix Global School. I am from Expo Group.
Hello all, my name is Shaitra. I am from grade 8. I am from Explore Group.
My hobby is media literacy and children. Media literacy ability to access, analyze, evaluate, create and with various understanding how medium effectively involves form of the medium effectively. It involves understanding media behind them and their important points of medium literacy in the culture of medium literacy. Key aspects of medium literacy includes critical thinkings, accessing informations under the understanding media techniques, critically media context, important points of medium literacy. Combating information, promoting critical thinkings, accessing information and the points. UNESCO places of Chol Temple. This is the Chol Temple. This is the Chol Temple. It is located in Tamil Nadu. Greatest longing, Chol Temple. The size in the temples, the 2024 and the built 11th and 12th century, 11th and 12th century అనేది Chola period of the Chola temple. The presence of some of the best examples of the Chola period. Yes, my friend, continue.
Khajuraho. Khajuraho is one of the famous UNESCO place in India. Khajuraho is the famous, unique and 75 kilometers southeast to Jhansi, and we can see the pictures of Khajuraho. This is the Khajuraho temple. In Hindu Ramayanism, Khajuraho is the tribals and the humans and animals 95 to 85 century, and which is has the longest. Khajuraho is the temples. Khajuraho is unique and the peoples, and which is the built in Madhya Pradesh, is the UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Thank you. Thank you.
Good morning, one and all. My name is Saiteja. I am studying 10th grade in Phoenix Global School. I am coming from Explorer Group. Today my topic is Golconda Fort.
Very good morning, one and all. My name is Pawan. I am studying in 5th grade in Phoenix Global School.
Good morning, one and all. My name is Sadhvinesh. I am studying 7th grade in Phoenix Global School. I am from Explorer Group. Today my topic name is Hampi.
Golconda Fort. Golconda is a historical fort. It is located in the Telangana in Hyderabad. It is known as impressive architecture and engineering. Golconda Fort is constructed by the Kakatiya dynasty in 12th century. The last explorer of Golconda Fort is Qutb dynasty. Golconda Fort having water supply system and multiple gateway. And Golconda, inside of the Golconda, there are massive streets and impressive architecture and engineering. In Golconda, there is a echo clapping system. And architecture.
What is Humayun's Tomb Delhi? What is Humayun's Tomb Delhi? Humayun's Tomb Delhi is the first of the youngest dynastic meters with the artificial style. Its death in 80 years later. The Taj Mahal will later, and Humayun's Tomb Delhi within a complex of 27.4. Those includes contemporary 60 kilometers. Tombs, church of some days is called buildings. Sarvara Barber tombs and the complex of the building Humayun's Tomb Delhi. This my friend will continue.
Hampi is a UNESCO World Heritage Site located in a north part of Carnatic line with the ruins. Ancient prospering of kingdom of Vijayanagar of heritage sites depicting India the excellent drawing styles of art and architecture. Thank you, Ronald. Have a nice day.